KG Auto, I live in Brooklyn. KG Auto, I live in Brooklyn. If your car breaks down, you know to call. If your car breaks down, you know to call. Call 347-385-9080. Let's go. Yeah, KG Auto, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please let me know what you think about my new uniform. I got a new uniform. There's a black pants and maroon, whatever, red. Let me know what you think. You know, I just want to look, you know, differently this summer. So let me know what you think. Comments, questions. Anyway, 2016. This is a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Jeep Grand Cherokee. Is that what it is? Yeah, Jeep Cherokee. Jeep Cherokee is a 4-cylinder, you know, Latitude. So apparently I want to do the transmission, just to change the transmission oil. It's a 2016, like I said, is a 4-cylinder. So I'm going to bring you guys and show you exactly how we're going to do this. It's a little bit kind of tricky job to do, but I'm going to show you what I found and how we're going to do it. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. KG, love y'all. Let's go. It is short. The problem with this car, right, is a 2016, like I said before. As you can see, I just want to make sure I verify everything. It's a 4-cylinder. So this vehicle don't have no dipstick. Where are you going to gauge the oil or the transmission fluid? It doesn't have one. So now, if you can't find where to put the transmission fluid, please don't go and open up and start to drain the transmission oil. You want to find out where that bolt is, how you're going to put it. So I'm going to bring you guys underneath. As you can see, I took off the tire, right? So here is the draining plug. Please bear with me. So here is the draining plug right here. I hope you guys can see. Sorry about the shaky video. Here is the draining plug, right? It's right there. So now, where you're gonna put the transmission fluid, that's a problem. So if you come down here, I'm gonna show you another one too. If you look straight down here, please follow my hand. Am I getting that? Okay, see where my hand is. See, there's another plug right here. Is a, I think it was a, what was that, 8 7, I believe it was a 8, you know, 8 Allen key. There's another one there, but you can't lose over here because the oil, you cannot put the transmission fluid. If you open up this, the transmission is going to leak out. So look where they put the thing. Very tedious, very hidden. So that one was an 8. So if you look straight down here, right, all the way in the back here, let's see, do you see that right down there? I don't know if you can see it. If you see where my Allen key is, let me see if I can follow. Please follow my hand. I might be blocking the radio. Yeah, you can see where that tooth is, right? It's a 6 Allen key. That's where the bolt is. 6 Allen key. That's where you're gonna put the transmission. So it's kind of very difficult to go in there to put the bolt there. So what I did was I turned the steering wheel to the other side. I turned the steering wheel, like turn it down to the left hand side, you know. So then this guy went in a little bit, so I was able to sneak my hand underneath it. If you have a small hand, very good, you can do this job. So that's where they have the bolt. So I'm going to go in there now, try to lose out that bolt. Once I finish losing it out, I will bring you guys back. I just want to show you where that thing is located. KG, stay tuned. So this is the bolt. See it? 6 Allen key. The number 6. That's what I use. So now you find out where that is. It knows that before you cannot come underneath. I wanted to make sure, I've never done this before. I wanted to make sure that I find out where that bolt is located first before I drain the transmission fluid. Because the last thing you want to do is drain the transmission fluid and voila, you don't know where on how to put the transmission fluid. So I'm gonna go underneath now and drain it. I'll bring you guys. So now, since we know where to put the transmission fluid, so we're gonna come here now to drain this. It's an 8. So how many does it use? I don't know. Whatever comes out, we're gonna measure it and make sure we put the same thing back there. So that's what I'm gonna do. There she goes. Ooh la la. Love coming out there, bro. That is a lot coming out there. And I can tell you. Well, we're gonna measure it up. Make sure we put exactly the same thing in. Alright, KG, you guys stay tuned. I don't have to show all of this. So once it starts dripping like that, you know you're good. And go back in there and pull this bolt. So I'm holding the camera with my hand, so I have to tie that. Fine like that. So let me go ahead and tie that, then we're going to figure out how we're going to refit it. Stay tuned. So as you can see, so this is the transmission fluid that came out of it. So what I'm going to do is, you see, is right here. Because this car don't have no dipstick, so I don't want to put too much transmission fluid, start gassing all of that. So I'm going to use the one that he bought, which is right here, the Castro. Then I'm going to pour it in there to get it to the same level. Once I get to the same level, we'll put back the same thing that is in there. So what I did was, if you look at here now, it's either you use a transmission pump. There's one that I have, it's a small one. You have to you have to watch my other video to see it. I use it on the Infinity, hook it to the battery or something. But this one, I connected it like so. See right there? Then if you go underneath there, if you look right there, you see a black right straight in there. You see like a black tab right there, so it's going in there. I don't know if I get it. I'll bring the light anyway. So that's how we're gonna put this bad boy back in there. So stick around. So I pour it in already. So I use like almost 3.5 of this. That's exactly what we have in there now. So we'll go ahead now and put this guy in there, and we're ready to start this car. As you can see what I'm using to put the transmission. Very good. Then I'm gonna show you the bottom. Everything looks tight and snug. So if you look down there, you see that black tab right there, you can't miss it. Yep, see, it fits in very well. I constructed that. So everything going in, no leakage at all. You see right there? You can't miss it, brother. So we're just gonna top it up now and wrap up this thing. So after you have refilled the transmission, don't forget to put back this bolt. You torque it down to like 33 foot-pounds. That's what I'm gonna do now. Show you guys earlier on.
Even if I can't do it tomorrow, I'll come and let you know I'm still interested.
All right, no problem.
My brother, treat him well. I used to go to his store all the time. I don't go no more.
Okay, all right. So now, don't forget to take off this. I took out this so I'll be able to put that transmission fluid in there. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I use to put the transmission. What I use for the transmission, I constructed my own. So that will be your own homework to do. So after you have done all of that, just make sure you come in the car, start the car, put your leg on the brake, just move the car. Not moving, just change the gas, reverse, neutral, park, and go back again, neutral, reverse, park, just to make sure. One more time, just like so, and go back again, just make sure everything is moving. So that's it on this episode. The car is done. Everything is going on beautiful. Question, comments, you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. See you on my next episode. Thanks for watching. KG signing off. Peace. We are gone.